So instead of doing homework, I'm making a vlog at freaking 12 freaking 20 5, 6, 7, 28, I think. No, 27. Anyway, okay. Back to work. Guys, look, it's GD all over my binder. Oh my god. Okay, back to homework. Oh. So I'm making Heiko sound right now. And I think my mom can hear me. She probably thinks I'm on crack. Yeah. Okay. Doing homework now. Bye. You guys, I was doing homework and then there's hella rain. It's hella pouring outside. Oh, you can't see it, but it's hella raining. Okay, I should get doing homework now. Okay, I'm going to do homework. This bitch is distracting me. Rosina Saeed. Okay. Okay, I need to get working, seriously. Why am I so distracted? Move. Bye. I hate math.